Pričevanja ostarelega sukača plošč.
Ja, kako je to lepo, ko vidim punkse na partih.
After party. Termin za neukrotljiva ušesa in neustavljiva telesa.
Kaj je to? Arlo G3?
Ne stara, ampak je pa Arlo Zarja.
From your eyes a deep dark glare.
Iz tolminskih dolov veje veter kantavtorske melanholije. Zaneslo pa ga bo vse do etra Radia Študent. Priklopite se v oddajo After Party v torek nekaj čez 10 ali pa preko sebstvene cevi na video pretok in izkusite čista čustva.
I don't care if I can't see what people say they see in me.
Lepo pozdravljeni v še eni ediciji oddaje After Party, v kateri vam vsak drugi torek predstavljamo glasbenike, kako domače, tako tudi tuje. Danes je z nami Zarja iz Tolmina, ki dela pod umetniškim imenom Arlo Zarja. Živijo. Nedavno si izdala tudi svoj prvi EP.
Tako je.
Si vesela? Predvidevam, da si. Nedavno si tudi imela intervju za Radio Študent za oddajo 100 decibelov, tako da bomo tokrat poskušali se ne ponavljati, bomo nekih drugih stvari govorili, oziroma bomo probali malo to podaljšati ta vprašanja, ki jih je delal Jan. Tako da ne vem, za začetek mi povej, iz Tolmina si oziroma iz okolice Tolmina, a bi rekla, da je to okolje, ta atmosfera, ki tam vlada, nekako vplivala na tvoje glasbene motive oziroma tvoj glasbeni izraz?
Mislim, da bolj kot cel kraj je, oziroma moje družinsko življenje pa take zadeve. Ampak glede na glasbeno ustvarjanje, seveda je dosti vplivali moji prijatelji, ki so pač z okolice Tolmina. Odlični, izvrstni glasbeniki vsi. Motivacija, super motivacija za pisati, za ustvarjati. Ja.
Lepo. Kaj pa glede tega, da nekako se nam zdi, da je vedno glasbena scena ali pa neka scena se vedno dogaja v centru, v prestolnici, ti pa nisi v prestolnici, v Tolminu si. Se ti zdi, da je mogoče težje najti svoj plac na sceni, če nisi tukaj v Ljubljani, če si tam?
Mislim, da je dosti odvisno, kaj je definicija placa na sceni. Osebno meni že tako dosti v redu, da imamo samo tako en prostor, kjer v Tolminu imamo Mink, shout out Mink, kjer se da pač glasbo delati. V bistvu niti ni tako, moramo na glasbeno sceno, moramo biti v Ljubljani, ampak je bolj tako, gremo nekam, gremo nekaj narediti za zabavo.
Itak.
Ja.
Pa zdi se mi, da je dosti povezano vse. Mislim, lahko se povežeš, če pokažeš inicijativo pa to. Povej mi, glede tvojih glasbenih vzornikov, rekla si, dosti so vplivali tvoji prijatelji, ampak ne vem, glede same glasbe, kje si največ najdla svoje ideje?
Ko sem bila mlajš, je moj fotor poslušal ful dobre glasbe, bil obseden z Bobom Dylanom in take zadeve. In ko sem bila starejša, je moja mama v našo hišo pripeljala albume od Amy Winehouse pa Lana Del Rey, pa par Adele albumov. In pol pač sem bila obsedena s temi tremi izvajalkami. Mislim, ne vem, par ljudi mi je že rekel, da jih tako malo spominja moj EP na Lano Del Rey, sem pa tja. Melanie Martinez mi je bila tudi ful časa ful všeč. Tudi, ko je prišel Don't Smile at Me EP od Billie Eilish ven, je bil tako moj...
Torej, zanima te ta nek kantautorski pristop. Ker spomnim se iz intervjuja, da si tudi rekla, da si nekako iz poezije izhajala. Tako da, zanima me, če se je tudi ta poezija nekako spreminjala s časom, ko je bila samo poezija, ali pa zdaj, ko je tudi uglasbljena, ko je del pač tvoje glasbene podobe.
Ja, mislim, definitivno je to, da ful drugače se pišem komade, kakor se piše poezijo. Poezijo se tako ful enostavno sedem dol, pa sem napišem par stavkov. Niti ne vem, da imajo smisel, pač se je poezija. In pri komadih je pa tako, ritmičnost, vse je ful tako, mislim, malo bolj komplicirano je. Ampak, osebno mi je bolj všeč pisanje pesmi zdaj kot poezije.
Kaj pa glede, ko hočeš uglasbiti to poezijo, a pride do nekih težav oziroma da kdaj, mislim, zaradi tega, ker si izhajala iz poezije, kjer je neka zelo free forma v glasbi, mislim, lahko je tudi v glasbi free forma, ampak nekako, če hočeš, da to skupaj štima, mogoče se včasih rabiš omejiti, a kdaj imaš s tem težave?
Jaz komade pišem v bistvu, da pišem melodijo in besedilo hkrati in pol posnamem na telefonu, da ne pozabim melodijo, zato ker nisem nobene šole naredila, ne znam not brati, ne znam, akordov tako poznam, če piše AM, sem tako približno vem, kaj to je, ampak tako, da bi zdaj brala neke, ne vem, kaj ne znam in pol v bistvu sam posnamem si in hkrati to in ni to komplicirano, če se sam naučim pol, kaj mi je enkrat ratalo zapeti.
Super. Pa glede glasbe, nekako ti pač igraš kitaro, si kdaj razmišljala o tem, da bi mogoče želela še nek drugi inštrument vpeljati not, ali pa da bi še nekaterim glasbenikom delala, mogoče v neki zasedbi ali pa v duu?
Ja, mislim, po pravici povedano, mi je bilo, osebno bi jaz ful rada nek bendič imela ali pa nekaj takega. Trenutno sem pač omejena na to kitarico moja zlato sončno. Ampak ja, tudi Pija najprej nisem hotela dati ven, ker sem rekla, da to bi bila akustična verzija, da bi posnel pol še eno verzijo z ostalimi glasbeniki, mojimi prijateljčki in da bi pol to bila v bistvu glavna verzija. In mislim, naprej komadi po moje, ki bodo prišli ven vodo. Z drugimi glasbeniki še bomo malo shoutoutalih v komadih kasneje.
Lepo. Zdaj pa, dosti si pokonektana z Bakalino Veliko. Zanima me, o kakšnem odnosu gre, kaj ti je to prineslo, kako ti to pomaga v tvojem glasbenem izrazu?
V bistvu, tako Bakalina Velika, sploh Jani Kotin je tako moj mentor, moj največji supporter. On mi je za 15. rojstni dan plačal ure v studiu, kjer sem potem ta EP posnela. Tako da v bistvu najprej moram se zahvaliti njemu. Hvala, Jani, da si mi plačal ure v studiu, pa Valerija, hvala. Poznajo se z mojo mamico in pol, tako podpirajo me dost, pa povabijo me kdaj, če je kakšen gor pri njih, kakšen koncertič, da pridem. Zelo lepo ozračje, ful, fajn, skupine.
Lepo. A misliš, da je to kar pomembno, da naprimer mladi umetnik, ki hoče najti svoje mesto na sceni, ima enega takega mentorja, ki je že etabliran v sceni, ki pozna, ki lahko prenese to znanje. Misliš, da bi ti bilo težje, če ne bi imela njega, Kanjo?
Po moje, definitivno, ja. Bi bilo dosti težje. Po mojem, mislim, ni nujno, da ima vsak umetnik kakšnega mentorja, ampak je definitivno fajn, da če imaš nekoga, ki se že malo spozna na take zadeve.
Zdaj pa v bistvu kmalu boš izdala tudi svoj album, oziroma delaš na njemu.
Delam na njemu, ne moram reči, če kmalu, to je tako.
Enkrat boš.
Enkrat bo v prihodnosti, ja. Ene par komadov sem že napisala, pa mama je rekla, da ne smem jih dati ven, preden sem 18. Tako da,
zakaj?
Par omembljen od stvari, ki mogoče, ja.
Bi bilo boljše, da se počaka, ko je...
Ja, vse boste videli.
No, čez koliko časa boš 18?
Maja letos.
Ok, kmalu.
Okay. Ja.
Še imaš do takrat časa, da še par komadov spišeš in pol bo to cel album. Pol boš svobodna, da to izdaš. Zanima me, če si razmišljala o samem izdajanju, a boš izdala, mislim, ko boš izdajala enkrat, kako gledaš na to razmerje med izdajanjem v samozaložbi oziroma ali pa za neko založbo? Bi želela za založbo neko izdati ali sploh nisi o tem razmišljala?
Ne vem, nisem dost razmišljala o tem. Meni je glavno, da sem glasbo nekako dam ven. Ker ne vem, meni se zdi, da mi to dost dobro gre in da imam nekaj, kar lahko pokažem in pol. Vem, da založbo, ne vem, bi imela mal problem, ker ne maram avtoritete preveč in pol, da bi mi nekdo govoril, kaj smem dati ven, pa kaj ne smem ven dati ven, pa kako, ne vem, če bi me to šlo z mano. Ampak mogoče, ne vem, bomo videli.
Super. Pa glede tega EP-ja, Gemini, me zanima, kjer so bile nekako glavne istočnice, a se mogoče neka zgodba vleče čez cel EP, ali pa so sam randomly nabrane misli?
To so samo komadi, ki sem jih napisal približno v istem časovnem nekmu zaporedju, ne vem, sem jih napisala In pol se mi zdi, da imajo tako vsi neko tako podobno temo. In sem jih samo zbrala na kup in sem rekla, to bo zdaj moj EP. Pika, amen.
Super, odlično. Evo, v bistvu to bi bilo to. Hvala ti, Zarja, za
Hvala
intervju.
vam.
Zdaj bo Zarja nastopila v živo iz studia Radia Študent. Tisti, ki mogoče nas spremljate samo prek naše frekvence, veste, da lahko se tudi priklopite na naš YouTube kanal ali pa tudi na Facebook, na naši Facebook strani tudi streamamo, tako da lahko tudi gledate nastop. Tako da zdaj bo nastopila Zarja, ki dela pod psevdonimom Arlo Zarja. In uživajte. Hvala, da ste poslušali in ostanite še naprej na valovih Radia Študent.
As I walk the streets, I walk every day. The voice in my head can help but to say, lost to the current, I'm floating away. Forgive to the lack of emotion displayed. Can someone just see me, look into my eye? I promise I'll smile back, I promise I'll try. The hands that are giving, are waving goodbye. At last it's just me and him, me and the sky. Spend so much time together these weeks. I feel like I'm crazy every time he speaks. Someone in my head is throwing critiques, banging her head on this wall of my cheek. A book by my window, too lazy to read. The hours of silence make my ears bleed. Too lonely to listen, too scared to be heard. I'll take the sword over the word. I wanna be so far away that you could never drag me back into the atmosphere. I don't want you near. I wanna be so far away, a human. I could never reach me. I'd be just a dot, a star, no face, no plan. I'm walking in circles, I'm sitting aside. No one at all to ask for a ride. I'm going closed-eyed, my legs as a guide. Every excuse to wait for the tide. Forgive and forget, two sides of a home. Forgive me the blindness and sequence unknown. Falling behind, my heart but a clone of what I could be, the things I should know. I wanna be so far away that you could never drag me back into the atmosphere. I don't want you near. I wanna be so far away, a human. I could never reach me. I'd be just a dot, a star, no face, no blind. I wanna be so far away that you could never drag me back into the atmosphere. I don't want you near. To je bil prvi komad iz mojega EP-ja, Gemini, LOL. Gremo naprej. It's just you versus me, and the odds cannot agree. But if 2 and 2 makes 5, why would I stay alive? From your eyes a deep dark glare. You act all tough like you don't care. You store his ties all nice and neat, although your mind is not complete. We are ones, but we're not heard. respecting every word. But your voice, it stops, it's quiet. Let your old rich lungs get tired. Go do drugs, don't stay in school. 'Cause school sucks and drugs are cool. But don't take my advice. When I cross a road, I never check twice. Watch me leave, watch me go. Watch me burn down your inflated ego. I don't care if I can't see what people say they see in me. The bad roads and broken homes, the lit up cities and locked doors, the cupboard below the stairs, dirty alleyways and windbag chairs. Watch me leave, watch me go. Watch me burn down your inflated ego. I don't care if I can see what people say they see in me. This is really fucking morbid. But if you say so, a joke about doing, yeah, oh, your mind's so bad it's practically a halo, yeah, oh, hello. Forgot your name, but tell me about your day, though. Have you seen any birds? Do they sing gay? Oh, yeah, oh, oh no. Body's heavy, mind is slipping down low. I am drowning in my fucking mind, yo, yeah, yo. The split up, please leave me alone, I'll be okay, yo. There's no fucking reason to be scared, yo, yeah, yo. Alone, never the first choice, I'll go insane, no. I'm so cold and lonely, it's okay though, alone. To był drugi komad z mojego EP-a. Lol. Naslednji komad je fan favorite. Vsi, ki ste mi pisali na Instagram, vem, da vam je ta komad najbolj všeč. Hvala. Ja. My sad songs, and why would I not cry when it took me so long to say goodbye? And why would I just sleep when there's so many things my mind gets to keep after this? After this, you're just as sad as me, you're just as sad as me. You're just older, there's more things you've seen. You're just as sad as me, you're just as sad as me. You're just older, there's more things you've seen. A handful of pills, done it before. An alcohol mind seen long ago. High in the park, way after dark, laying in the grass. Da 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 da, da 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 da, da 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 da, da 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 da. Why fun, but breaking in a bag. Face like a doll. The porcelain might crack if you let them fall. Stay up till 3. The city's very empty, there's not much to see. You and me. You and me. You're just as sad as me. You're just as sad as me. You're just older, there's more things you've seen. You're just as sad as me. You're just as sad as me. You're just older, there's more things you've seen. A handful of pills, done it before. An alcohol mind seen long ago. High in the park, way after dark, dancing with myself. Da, 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 da.
Gremo zdaj title song Gemini, A Lot of Pressure.
It shook my breath. It blurred my eyes. My gums are playing. No need to try or fail. Forget the fork. Just use a knife. I don't feel shit. I don't need air, I'm not alive. He took okay, made it goodbye. Sometimes I pray, I hope to die, but I can't seem to tell apart what's truly happening and what is just made up. But why I because I am a Gemini, but does that explain the hole in my brain? But why I because I am a Gemini, but does that explain the hole in my brain? I just feel nothing. I don't care to see. All the walls closing in around me. Forgot the words to my favorite song. My chest is burning. My skin feels wrong. He took okay, made it say goodbye. Sometimes I pray, I hope to die, but I can't seem to tell apart what's truly happening and what is just made up. But why because I am a Gemini, but does that explain the hole in my brain? But why because I am a Gemini, but does that explain the hole in my brain? Precej prepričana sem, da je to zdaj zadnji komad ZP-ja, pol pa je en nov, kaj ga še nismo slišali. No, jaz sem ga, vi ga niste. Haha. Stop all the bitching and stop all the talk. Stop acting like you're mice and on some cheese, maybe a block. I don't fucking get what's so interesting. I might look like a raccoon, you bring the trash, I let you sink. Your boyfriend's a bitch, and so is his dad. As I'm talking, I'm insulting, and the old man's getting mad. When I fall down, I tie up my shoes. It's getting closer, I can feel it, you are tightening the noose. Let's hope that you forget this. It never happened, the words I speak are truly his. And fuck this melodrama and my bad karma. I think he forgot that I exist. Let's hope that you forget this. It never happened, I can blame it on the wind. It was dark and scary, imaginary. Got away with just one hit. Men shall not sleep with points, and men shall not sleep with men. This religion shit is getting out of hand. I'm a loser, I wanna be the major. Hypocrisy, sad bitch with a pen, so don't call me a prodigy. I'm just waiting for the page to get turned, but the letters are confusing, so I'm burning up the book. I eat the ashes from the burnt paper. It'll make me smarter, I'll need that one later. Let's hope that you forget this. It never happened, the words I speak are truly his. And fuck this melodrama and my bad karma. I think he forgot that I exist. Let's hope that you forget this. It never happened, I can blame it on the wind. It was dark and scary, imaginary. Got away with just one hit. Let's hope that you forget this. I never said it, a lie that never left my lips. You call me in the morning, the rain is pouring, hoping I can drown my dream. So easy to obey, but I said to her face, I'll do what I want to do. I'm sitting in a castle, I locked up the last bastard. This throne room wasn't made for two. Let's hope that you forget this. It never happened, the words I speak are truly his. And fuck this melodrama and my bad karma. I think he forgot that I exist. Let's hope that you forget this. It never happened, I can blame it on the wind. It was dark and scary, imaginary. Got away with just one hit. Ja. In pol zdaj še zadnji debut komad. Zadnji komad večera. Za lahko noč, ena pravljica, piratska. I walked to the ship of the captain and said that I want him to see, to feel the fresh air, the one on the land and not the one at sea. And he told me off, he said it was useless. The ground is the one that gives you most bruises. He had such short breath, didn't think I would notice the salt in his lungs and his head full of voices. His bird was found dead, they said it was shot. And he blamed the pirates, but he had the hots for a pirate down south who had such blue eyes. So he fell in love with his freshly cooked lies. He carried himself like a bait on a hook, the swing in his step and the tie of his look, the three little words he said under his breath. But he was a stranger, a secret well kept. And he hopes through the years that his silly little boy crush would disappear. And it could, but it didn't. It will never happen as long as your heart's in it. Hopes through the years that his silly little boy crush would disappear. And it could, but it didn't. It will never happen as long as your heart's in it. He had many lives, many stories to tell. He had many sorrows that he didn't share. He would rather drown than to step on the land, and he'd rather cut off than give you his hand. He couldn't care less, but still he would try. No longer a battle, but a loud morning cry. He cried in for days, forgetting his ways. The sea level rose and the sun hid its rays. Just a pirate, he'd say, turn a blind eye, but his name and his face on his mind all the time. And he hopes through the years that his silly little boy crush could disappear. And it could, but it didn't. It will never happen as long as your heart's in it. Hopes through the years that his silly little boy crush could disappear. And it could, but it didn't. It will never happen as long as your heart's in it. Hvala. Lepo se imejte, veliko se smejte.
Pričevanja ostarelega sukača plošč.
Ja, kako je to lepo, ko vidim punkse na partijih.
After Party. Termin za neukrotljiva ušesa in neustavljiva telesa.